Did you know that some of the things you're doing to take care of your skin might actually be aging it faster? Even expensive products, trendy routines, and good intentions can backfire, especially if you're unknowingly making some of the most common skincare mistakes. If you've ever stood in front of the mirror wondering, why does my skin still look dull, dry, or tired, even though I'm doing all the right things? Then this video is for you, because sometimes it's not about doing more, it's about doing less, but doing it right. So today, I'll walk you through 7 skincare mistakes women over 30 often make, and what to do instead, so your skin can finally start looking smoother, firmer, and more radiant, naturally. Hi, I'm Carinda, skin expert and founder of Glowé Skincare. With over 20 years of experience in natural skin rejuvenation, I help women 30 and beyond create real results without harsh treatments, pressure, or complicated routines. Because after 30, your skin doesn't just need products, it needs presence, it needs nourishment, it needs support from the inside out. So let's begin with one of the most common mistakes I see, even among women who are incredibly health conscious: over-cleansing. Cleansing seems simple, right? Wash your face, keep your skin clean, done. But here's the truth. Many women are over-cleansing their skin, and it's silently aging them. Your skin has a natural protective barrier called the acid mantle, made up of natural oils, sweat, and beneficial bacteria. When you over-cleanse, especially with harsh foaming products or by washing your face too often, you strip away this protective layer. At first, your skin might feel squeaky clean or tight, but that tightness isn't freshness, it's damage. Over time, over-cleansing leads to dryness, sensitivity, and premature lines. So, what should you do instead? Choose a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser that respects your skin's natural oils. In the morning, if your skin is dry or sensitive, you may only need water or a soft milk cleanser. In the evening, cleanse more thoroughly to remove SPF, buildup, and pollutants, but always in a way that supports your skin, not strips it. After cleansing, your skin should feel soft, calm, and balanced, never tight or itchy. Remember, your cleanser is not meant to scrub your skin into submission. It's meant to softly prepare it for nourishment. And once your skin is clean and calm, you might reach straight for your favorite moisturizer.
We share hatchet that urban gas and you, as he says, by shopons has my you quite has by side, had way space, or from head os has as mightify. Very common mistake happens. Let's move on to mistake number 2, skipping real hydration. Mistake number 2 is skipping hydration, and this one is more common than you might think, even among women who invest in high-end creams and serums. Here's the thing, as we move into our 30s and beyond, our skin naturally produces less hyaluronic acid. That's the molecule that helps your skin retain moisture and look plump and dewy. When hyaluronic acid levels drop, your skin starts to lose its glow. It can feel tight, look dull, and even develop fine lines that weren't there before, not because of aging alone, but because of dehydration. Many women think using a moisturizer is enough, but here's the truth. If you're not adding water to your skin first, you're locking in nothing. Moisturizers are meant to seal in hydration, but they don't always provide it. That's where a hydrating toner or serum comes in. Think of it this way. Hydration is water. Moisturizing is sealing. You need both, but in the right order. So, what can you do? After cleansing, while your skin is still slightly damp, apply a hydrating lotion or serum that contains hyaluronic acid or other water-binding ingredients. Pat it in gently, let your skin absorb it, and then follow with a nourishing cream. This simple water, first, oil second approach can make a huge difference in how your skin looks and feels. It's also why we created the Glowé Botanical Hydration Lotion. To give your skin that first drink, it needs to really benefit from everything else you apply. If your skin still feels tight, even after moisturizing, you're likely missing this step. Hydration is the foundation of glow, and when your skin has what it needs, it can finally begin to restore elasticity, softness, and bounce. So now that we've talked about hydration, let's move into mistake number 3, which is one that I see happening especially when women try to fix their skin quickly. And that's using too many actives at once. Mistake number 3 is using too many active ingredients at once. And honestly, I understand why it happens. When your skin isn't looking the way you want, it's tempting to reach for everything that promises results. Retinol, vitamin C, AHAs, BHAs, peptides, niacinamide, the list goes on. These ingredients are powerful and effective, but when they're layered together without intention, they can overwhelm your skin. Instead of helping, they can trigger irritation, redness, flaking, sensitivity, and even breakouts, especially if your skin barrier is already compromised. Your skin doesn't need everything at once. It needs rhythm, it needs balance, it needs time to respond and heal. Just like your body doesn't function well when it's stressed and overstimulated, neither does your skin. The problem isn't the actives, it's how we use them. So what should you do instead? Focus on one key active ingredient at a time. For example, use your vitamin C serum in the morning and a peptide or retinol product at night, but not all three together. Give each product space to work. Alternate your routine so your skin gets both results and recovery. And make sure your routine includes calming, barrier-supporting ingredients like aloe vera, panthenol, ceramides, or botanical extracts. These help your skin stay resilient while your actives do their work. It's also important to know that more isn't always better. Stronger concentrations don't always mean better results, especially if your skin is reacting or flaring up. In fact, the opposite is often true. Gentle consistency usually wins over intensity. That's why many women see better long-term improvements when they scale back their actives and focus on high-quality essentials. At Glowé, we designed our peptide-based formulas to be effective, yet gentle enough to support your skin's natural renewal cycle, not fight against it. So, if your skin feels irritated or confused, this is your permission to simplify. Your glow doesn't come from pushing, it comes from listening. And now that we've talked about product overload, let's shift to a mistake that's not about what you put on your face, but what you leave out. I'm talking about your neck and décolleté. Mistake number 4 is ignoring your neck and décolleté. This is one of the most overlooked areas in skincare, and yet the skin here is some of the most delicate and age-prone on your entire body. Many women focus all their attention on their face, applying serums, creams, and masks with care, and then stop right at the jawline. But your neck and chest are exposed to just as much daily stress as your face. Think about it: sun exposure, pollution, blue light, even how we sleep. It all affects these areas. And because the skin here is thinner and contains fewer oil glands, it's even more vulnerable to dryness, sagging, and wrinkles. You might notice crepey texture, horizontal lines, or that your décolleté starts to look dull and uneven, and wonder why your face looks fresh, but the rest doesn't match. So here's what to do instead. Start treating your neck and chest as part of your face. When you apply your skincare, take every product, from your toner to your serum to your cream, down to your collarbones. Use gentle upward strokes. Be just as mindful and loving with the skin as you are with your cheeks and forehead. Products like firming peptide serums or hydrating creams work beautifully on the neck and décolleté. And if you're already using a high-quality formula on your face, it's more than enough for these areas too. You don't need something separate. At Glowé, we always say, if it's good enough for your face, it's good enough for your neck. So make it a ritual. Touch your skin slowly, include your collarbones. Let this part of you feel seen, supported, and beautiful again. And now that we've moved beyond the face, let's talk about something that's more mindset related, but just as important. It's a mistake many women make without realizing it, and that's not giving their products enough time to work. But there's one more thing you need to know. Consistency only brings results if the products you're using are actually good for your skin. Because no matter how gentle your touch is or how patient you are, if your products contain harsh ingredients, synthetic fillers, or barrier-damaging substances, your skin won't heal. It won't glow. It will keep fighting underneath the surface. Many traditional products are filled with things like parabens, mineral oils, sulfates, microplastics, and even artificial fragrance. And these ingredients can silently weaken your skin over time. They might feel nice at first, but they don't nourish, they don't support, they don't restore. That's why at Glowé, every single formula is made without compromise. No harmful additives, no trendy toxins, just clean, effective skincare that works with your skin, not against it. Because real results don't come from doing more. They come from doing better. With less, with intention, with ingredients you can trust. So if any of these mistakes sound familiar, I want you to know you're not alone. Most women have made at least one, if not all of these. And the good news? Your skin is incredibly resilient. It can bounce back, it can heal, and it can glow again. You don't have to fight your skin. You just need to support it. That's why I created the Glowé Skincare line, to give women like you clean, powerful, proven formulas that simplify your routine and amplify your results. No 10-step pressure, no harsh actives, just what your skin truly needs and nothing it doesn't. If you're ready to experience firmer, smoother, more radiant skin with less stress and more glow, click the link below to explore the full line. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more skincare wisdom, and leave me a comment below. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Or which tip are you going to start using today? Thanks for watching, and remember, your glow doesn't need more force. It just needs more care.